Hey there everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I want to take a minute to do another quick IQ tutorial on how to do a program update on your Intelliquilter system. This is a simple thing you want to be able to do every once in a blue moon when Intelliquilter releases a program update. You first need to go to Intelliquilter.com. From there, we're going to go down on the left hand side where it says Software Updates. We're going to go ahead and click on Software Update. You'll know if you have the most up-to-date version because at the bottom of your screen it'll show you what version you have. It's going to show the most recent update at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download, and then I'm going to check where that downloaded. So for me it goes right to my download folder. So I'm going to click on Downloads, and I did it more than one time. So you cannot actually have this abbreviation around the IQ update (1). You need to remove that, okay? And you only want to update and download the one that says iq.update.tar, and then you're going to put it onto your Transcend E, your USB stick, and you're going to paste it. So it says iq.update.tar, and then we can take it over to our tablet and update. Once you've downloaded the update onto the included IQ USB stick, you are then going to come to your Intelliquilter. You're going to click System, then you're going to click Program Update, and it's going to prompt you to insert the USB drive into where the arrow is flashing. Again, with the older style machine, it's on the top. With the newer style machines with the Service Pro, it's in the top slot on the right hand side. Once you plug that in, it's going to automatically download your program update. You can see it shows me that it did find them and it is downloading and restarting the program. Get the most current version on the bottom of your tablet. Now your Intelliquilter is updated and you're ready to go. For those of you who are computer nerds like me, I always will shut down and restart my system because that's what I've always been taught to do with computers, and that's what makes my heart happy. It's not a necessary step, but it could be something that could be helpful. Thank you guys for joining me for this real quick tutorial on how to do your program update for your Intelliquilter. I hope that this was helpful. Please be sure to give a thumbs up or comment on the video below so that others can see it and make it more accessible to them as well. I hope that these videos are helpful for you that are true beginners that just need those quick tips and tricks to help get you going. Take care and happy quilting, y'all. Bye!